So they are almost ready.
My wife Anna,
So today we're making Briam
Yes.
with the fathers. So we have some eggplant,
Potatoes, pumpkins, peppers, fresh peppers, onions, garlic, mint, over-mature tomatoes, parsley, and of course feta, tryphillios, you put inside. And at the end, when they cook in the oven for about a half hour, at the end we put some yellow cheese to melt it over them. It look like pizza.
we put some sugar.
Yes, and always we fry them with olive oil in Greece. We are in Greece,
In Greece we
Don't
fry
forget.
in olive oil.
of course.
Never forget that.
And we use the same oil for all the vegetables. And at the end, if we have some oil in our fryer, we put it in the food to have all the taste.
The flavor.
Yes.
We got onions, mint, parsley, tomatoes where he added sugar.
And you have to notice that it's not a food for people in diet.
This is not diet food. Thank you, Father.
Peppers.
Yeah.
Have fresh peppers and I keep them in the refrigerator
Ah,
to keep fresh all the time.
frying fresh.
So I can find them whatever I want them. If I need them. I have many colors, and yellow and red and green and dark green.
And ultimately, this will be Briam.
Yes, Briam
Briam.
is a traditional Greek food.
Traditional.
And the traditional
Greek food.
recipe it says that we have to fry them for a bit at the beginning. The modern people put them all not fried in the oven straight.
Ah,
But that's not so tasty. It's more healthy, but not tasty.
okay. So you either want taste or you want health. You can't have
No,
both.
The life is so small, so you have to enjoy it.
Life is short, so enjoy it.
Yes.
Thank you, Father. Doxa tofeo.